Coming to Yukti Pramana Series 1 Part 1. Here we are going to discuss about the introduction of Yukti. Acharya Charaka considered Yukti as the fourth Pramana. There is a very interesting fact to note that only Acharya Charaka has mentioned about Yukti Pramana. And only he considered Yukti as a Pramana. Regarding Yukti, Acharya Charaka has explained in the 11th chapter of Sutrasthana as Tasya Chaturvidam Pariksha Pratyaksham Aptopdesham Anumanam Yuktis Chedi. There are 4 methods for examination. The 4 methods are Pratyaksha, Anumana, Aptopdesha and Yukti. Yukti is nothing but it is a process of planning something systematically with proper reasoning. This process of planning something systematically with proper reasoning is called Yukti. Acharya Charaka has considered Yukti as a Pramana or a Pariksha Bhava. Hence, it should be considered as an independent Pramana due to its peculiarities. But there is something very special about Yukti Pramana. Yukti Pramana, it is considered as, although it is considered as an independent Pramana, it is very much clearly associated with Pratyaksha Pramana as well as Anumana Pramana. So, the independent nature of Yukti Pramana is always under suspicion. Still, Charaka has considered it as an independent Pramana, and all other Acharyas had a different opinion regarding that. Despite of the different opinion regarding the validity of Yukti Pramana, Yukti Pramana is very important, especially in the basic principles of Ayurveda. Especially when it comes to treatment of diseases, the combination of medicine, the diagnosis of some diseases, Yukti Pramana plays a very important role. Yukti Pramana helps us in formulating a rule that a union of certain causative factors help in producing an effect. If this is the effect, these are the factors. These factors will help in getting this effect. So if we want to get this effect, we have to consider all these factors. So this is the basic idea of Yukti Pramana. You will understand more details about Yukti Pramana when we discuss about the definition of Yukti Pramana and Nirukti of Yukti Pramana. By this, we are coming to an end to Yukti Pramana Series 1 Part 1, the introduction of Yukti Pramana, to be continued in Yukti Pramana Series 1 Part 2, the definition and derivation of Yukti Pramana.